Hello, it's been a minute, but I'm back. This is Luefras with Kitchen Jazz with Luefras. You know what? It's cold. It is so cold. And all I can think about is soup. Not just any soup, but something that's flavorful, yet soupy, not too soupy, but stick to your ribs kind of meal. So I thought I would do navy bean soup. Gonna be really simple. I'm home and want something really quick, in the mood for soup. Didn't have time to do the whole slow cooker route, so I am gonna throw a really quick soup together as the base. Are you ready? Gonna do some ground chicken. Got some ground chicken here. And I got some Wegmans sun-dried tomato with basil, fully cooked chicken sausage. So I'm gonna dice these up, probably more slice them up. Basic seasoning, little garlic, pepper, little tinge of seasoning salt because we're watching our salt, of course. And probably put a little bit of flour in just to thicken it a little bit. We're about to get started. Are you ready? Okay, cutting up the chicken sausage, getting it ready. And since these are already fully cooked, I'll put them in last. I'm about to start the ground chicken. Just gonna let that cook till it's almost done, and then I'll put in the chicken sausage. Just swish that around a little bit, let it get a little brown, and we're gonna make this soup happen. It's gonna be so yummy, I already know. And hey, just so you know, this is not any set recipe. This is just a throw together. I was actually walking the aisles of the grocery store thinking, what would make this a really yummy soup? And I just started throwing things in the basket, and here we are. So we're gonna start I'm just gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. I'm gonna saute some onions and celery and carrots. We're gonna take it from there. This is gonna be wonderful, and it's gonna be done really. We've got some olive oil here in the pan, and I did add a little dab of butter, just a dab. Gotta get our celery. Go ahead, dump the whole thing in. Then I have onion, carrot, and more celery. I'm telling you, this soup is going to be amazing. We're in this together because I've done navy beans with like smoked turkey, but this is a little different twist. I'm gonna start switching this around. Let these cook down a little bit. Real quick and easy. Yep, I was lazy. I bought the celery, onion, and carrots already chopped up. You know, don't feel bad about that. I used to feel really guilty when I would buy things that were already pre-prepped. But it saves time, and if you're busy like I am, and it helps you get a home-cooked meal on the table quicker, go for it. Don't let anyone make you feel guilty because you spend, it costs a little bit more, but hey, that's less time that I have to spend prepping. I just put a little more olive oil in here just to help these cook down a little bit. So next thing, I'm gonna put the ground chicken in and season that. See how it's cooking down? Letting out. Yeah. That saved me a little bit of time. Just a little bit of time in the kitchen. Chopping up. I love Wegmans because they think of everything for you. Like, oh, thank you, Wegmans. You know? Just make my life easier. Sure. I have no complaints. No complaints. You know, this past weekend was my birthday weekend, and so I had quite a few meals out. So I'm like, okay, Luefras, it's time to rein it in. Get back in the kitchen. And cook, girlfriend. And by the way, you have a cooking show, so you kind of need to cook. Especially showing off your different recipes or your concoctions, such as this one. So I think we're almost ready. I just wanted to cook them down a little bit. They're still a little crunchy, but by the time you do the ground chicken and put in the beans and let it simmer for a while, it's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Perfect. And we're gonna get a little bit of just a little bit of a broth from the ground chicken. Normally, I have some chicken broth on hand that I would pour in, but I don't think we're gonna need it. And I don't have any and stuff, but yeah, if I had some, I'd probably add it. Some garlic, little seasoning salt, which you just saw me do first. Then I'm gonna put in a little pepper. And that's going to suffice it for now. So we got these yummy, and celery, celery almost adds that salt flavor to your food. So, be careful with the salt because oftentimes you can use fresh herbs and your vegetables will give your food a nice flavor without going overboard on the salt. So, it's not going to take long at all. So yeah, I'm just mixing, and this is really easy. And the neat thing about this, I'm doing everything in one pot. That is so important. Everything is happening in this one pot. At one point in my life, I was very intimidated about preparing soup because I just thought it was just so difficult. But now, I do it like a pro because I just don't make it, we don't need to make it harder than it needs to be. Get your favorite pot. This pot is like a medium. It's not my largest pot, but it's perfect. I know there's going to be a plenty. I'm going to end up freezing some of this, but perfect size pot. And we're going to do everything right here. I'm going to do a little bit more pepper. And then you guys who follow me know I do not measure. I just keep sprinkling like that meme on Facebook says, until I hear my ancestors say, that's enough, child. Yes. And then, you're smelling it as you're cooking as well. So that also gives me a good sense of when my seasonings are at a good point. And always, it's better to under-season than to over-season. You can always add more seasoning. So yeah, look how that's cooking down really quick. Oh, this is smelling good. I wish you could smell this. But I'm looking forward to your comments that you made this. I'm telling you, this is perfect soup weather. All I could think about today was, I gotta make soup. Okay, because like I told you, it doesn't take long for this to cook at all. And we've still got more cooking to do here, so I'm not gonna go overboard. Now, I'm gonna take the sausage that I already diced up, and I'm gonna put it in here, because I want the sausage, even though it's already done, I want it to get a little bit of love, a little sizzle, drizzle, you know what I mean? I want it to feel the heat before I put everything else in here. So yeah. Like seriously, you just don't realize how close we are to having this done. We're so close. It's about 5 minutes or so to get in here and just have fellowship with the ground chicken. So far, what do we have? We have the diced celery, onion, and carrots, ground chicken, and the sausage, which is already pre-cooked. Remember, that's some chicken sausage, tomato basil chicken sausage, which I've never tried before, but I just thought, ooh, that'll be nice, So now we're gonna add the remainder of our ingredients. Basically, our beans. And you can buy any brand of navy beans. Look here. It's been about 20 minutes. Yeah, it's getting right. All the flavors are coming together and it looks so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna just let this simmer. Yep, let it simmer for about another 20 minutes or so. I thought I was gonna need to thicken it, but I don't think I'm gonna need to thicken it at all. Just gonna add one more surprise element when it's almost done. Oh yeah, this is looking good, guys. Okay, let's open up. Ooh, yes, 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 we are cooking with gas. Will you look at this? Oh, yeah. I was going to add a little flour, little thickener, as my mother would say. Oh, no. Now, what I am about to do, because I just wanted to have a little bit of color, a little more color, I'm gonna do a little something. I am going to add in just a little bit of kale. Just a little bit pretty. Just to give it a little bit of greenery, a little bit of color. A little frozen kale, that's all. I could have done fresh kale. I think that's gonna be enough. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Cannot wait to dig into this. Give it a little bit more kale. You know me, I have to overdo it. Okay. All right. This should work. Oh, honey, what did I tell you? This is the perfect soup. So I have to decide, am I calling it a navy bean soup or navy bean chili? It's kind of a cross between a soup chili. All right, I have a feeling folks are gonna look at it more as a chili. So we'll call it Luefras special navy bean chili. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook down for another 10 minutes. Let me just tell you, I wish you could be here with me to smell the goodness. Just smell the goodness. This soup, now I have to admit, I snuck a little taste. I almost shed tears. It's so good. But we're gonna taste it together when it's all complete. You know, normally I wait until the very end, but I just wanted to make sure I was on a good path because, you know, this was all just kind of thrown together. Let me just tell you. Oh my God, I think my eyes are still watery. It's good. But I've got something else that I'm adding. You know, I just couldn't stop with the soup. So, something else that Wegmans does really well, garlic cheese toast. Trying to get it out of the light so you can see it. But yeah, garlic cheese toast. I like to have some toast with my soup. This is gonna be wonderful. So I'm just gonna fix this on my flat surface and it's gonna be really great. Okay, I've got it. I have a name. As you know, as I was preparing this soup, I didn't know what I was gonna call it. Is it a soup or is it chili? Guess what? This is Luefras, call it what you want. Navy bean soup / chili. There you go. Call it what you want. Okay, about to get some bread on the grill. Yes, cheesy garlic bread. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Ooh, yes. Got that nice crispy layer there. The cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look what we did. Oh my goodness. Guys, you need to make this soup tonight. or make it tomorrow. I can tell you now, I'm having this for lunch tomorrow. I'm not even gonna finish this bowl. It's so filling. Oh my goodness. Oh, hot soup on a cold night tonight. What else could you ask for? Oh. And we have our cheesy toast. Oh, cheesy garlic toast. Now I'm gonna do something real country. Some of you know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do? She's gonna do it. Yes, yes. You can move the girl to the city, but you can't take the country out the girl. I did. I did. Oh my goodness. Y'all. The flavors in the broth. And again, I always feel like I must have chicken broth. I'll buy it. And I didn't have any. I thought I had some in the pantry. I'm like, oops. But the ground chicken, it didn't have a lot of fat, but it produced just enough oil to give some flavor. Then we have this chicken sausage. So with the broth that came with the navy beans and the can and all of that blending together with this, remember what I said about the celery? Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Okay. Gonna do our first full-on taste of the soup. Let me tell you something. In those few seconds that I took this bite, I had a flashback of my life, all the good things about my life. Oh my goodness. This soup, well, Luefras, call it what you want, navy bean soup slash chili. Oh my goodness. Guys, this was really simple. We did some ground chicken. You can do ground turkey, ground beef if you still eat beef, red meat. Ground chicken. I had some chicken sausage, navy beans, celery, onion, carrot. I added a little more water, just some salt, seasoning salt, just a little bit, pepper, garlic. What else did we do? And at the end, I added some kale, more so for the color, but it also adds to the flavor profile. This is, oh my God. Lord, we thank you. Now, tomorrow, after this soup sits in the fridge overnight, and I warm it up tomorrow, oh my God. Thank you. I'm gonna sign off so I can enjoy the rest of the soup. Thank you for watching Kitchen Jazz with Luefras. Let's get in the kitchen. Let's do some cooking. And definitely, you got to do it with jazz. Until next time, bye.